get like that. If you want some wins, you need to build a bridge in here. So you need some bricks, and you need to run in there. You need these 10k bricks, and just build and like that, like that, like those, like that, like those, and just collect some bricks and go. Wait. Where are you? Guys? Oh. Wait. Now. And we have more. But you only just need to stop and run. Stop and collect some mushroom. Wait. And we're here now. That's pretty good. And just wait. I'm gonna back in here. I got back. And oh, I can check it. I'm AFKing. I'll be right back. And that was too long. I have fun. They can't catch me. Please.